The world of skills-based employment talks about skills gaps, but the real challenge? Operationalizing the management of continuous skills investment. Imagine a business where top global talent flocks to work there because working there means continuous investment in their ability to remain top global talent. That business will succeed regardless of the shifts and rifts in what employment even means in the future. At IOXOV, we're not just building technology, we're making verifiable performance and potential possible at scale. So, let me show you a quick run-through of our platform. Stratavita by IOXOV solves three inextricably linked operationalization facets that all skills-based organizations need to fully appreciate. We do that with our three-tiered continuous skills investment framework. We'll start at the core of our framework, competency and capabilities. This is what many organizations have spent years working on, the mapping of skills to roles to job descriptions. However, most organizations struggle to go beyond the rigid structure of that data. In Stratavita, these are fully composable to allow flexibility, transparency, and traceability. More on that later. In our framework's foundation component, we unlock a critical aspect of empowering staff and leadership to plan and orchestrate the business relative to competency and capabilities. By knowing the corporate, division, and team structure, beyond simply reporting hierarchy, our platform can understand the context of specifically where and how skills are needed and gained. That is critical to unlock self-led and strategy-informed career management. Finally, our framework's implementation component is made up of the two pillars that actually break the mold on the historical roadblocks to skills-based organizations. Positions management is where a job description meets the structure of your organization. This is what you'd expect. A position is what someone is hired into, and that position has a job description, made up of one or more roles, and each role is made up of one or more skills. Straightforward, right? Career pathways, however, is not a transition between positions, a distinct departure from nearly all traditional career ladder systems. Rather, our career pathways feature is a sequence of job descriptions, making career pathways both templatable and manager-designed on a career-by-career basis, while maintaining the organization's core skills and roles mapping. Let's jump in a little deeper and show you two truly powerful benefits of our continuous skills investment framework. Remember from earlier, our framework and platform are rubric-driven. Skills are defined by importing from your existing systems or manually in Stratavita. Each skill can be assessed in one of several pre-designed or customized methods, including peer feedback, work output review, and the support for orchestrating human-to-human assessments. Skills have rubrics for definition, again which can be imported or created in our platform. Once you have your skills defined, they are available to staff to discover in three key ways: directly on a skill-by-skill level, through a position available to apply to, and via mapping to potential. This is by far our most empowering feature for staff, managers, and executives alike, and it is only possible because of our logical, composable approach to skills management. Our assessment solution is the world-leading option to automate and orchestrate skills-based organizations at scale. Our standard AI voice interface has proven to be the primary choice of interaction for staff and leaders across many industries, including government, utilities, mining, universities, trading, and those with vision and mobility disabilities. Our assessments include 4 layers of bias auditing of all participants, including racial, gender, religious, and contextual. After every assessment, we generate a hyper-personalized SWOT analysis of the skill for that person. We then generate a strategy to leverage strengths to unlock the identified opportunities while correcting for the identified threats and weaknesses. Finally, we generate our unique recommended situational experiences list, where the person is provided guidance on hyper-personalized actions and methods to engage the proposed strategy. The manager can take all the skills that map into a current or potential position for a person and generate a career investment plan, considering all the SWOT, strategy, and recommendations across those skills and the web of context for the company. Importantly, IOXOV is well aware that Stratavita cannot be adopted in a silo. As such, we have pre-integrated our entirely composable platform to the top systems our customers already work with. Of course, we support integrating with any modern process and have approximately 100 additional common or custom integrations today. All of this empowerment would be useless if not backed by the most critical industry standards. All of IOXOV's enterprise implementations include the following certifications, with annual audits as standard practice: ISO 9001, ISO 27001, SOC 2 Type 2, and the all-new AI governance standard ISO 42001. Learn how we're solving these critical productivity and performance needs for the blind and partially sighted at CNIB, for Alberta Government Innovation Incubators at RINSA, and for work-integrated learning students at Talent Ed YYC, as well as other global brands and institutions at ioxov.com.